So the next tool I want to show you is how to analyze the keywords within your video titles. So there's a ton of keywords obviously in your video titles, and you know the importance of doing YouTube SEO and whatnot and analyzing videos. It's very important to have the proper keywords in there. And so I developed a tool here that can really help you figure out which ones of these keywords are kind of like more valuable and what could possibly be better for your videos or your clients' videos. So let's take a look at that. So the first thing I've done here is I've just loaded a bunch of videos in here from a pre-saved file where I did a search for DIY. You can see there's 347 videos in this list here. So first thing we've got to do is click this little button here, the little checkbox, and I want to select all the rows. And after you select all the rows, you can hit this little analyze button up here, and you can select analyze keywords in video titles, or you can right click and go video tools, analyze keywords in video titles. So I'll just click that, and here we go. And now what we've done is out of all those 347 videos, there was 825 unique keywords that have at least 3 characters in it, 3 characters or more. And there's also stop keywords. So I'm using the stop keywords. You open this up, there's a bunch of words that you don't really want to analyze. You can update this little sort of internal database if you'd like, just by entering your own words and hitting OK, or load in a file or whatever you want to do. And if you don't want to use stop keywords, you can just click that there. So let's explain what this is all about. So right now we're just looking at the word combination of single words that appear in all of those titles. So now we can see how many times it occurred, the percentage that they occurred in the titles, now the average views per word combination. So you can see the value now that if you sort by here, well, let's look at ones that actually occurred more than once. So let's see, if you click the little search, we can do some quick filters. Let's say ones that occurred more than like 3 times, even more. How about 5? Well, let's keep going. How about 10? There we go. Now there's 21 left. So these keywords occurred more than 10 times. And now we can see, if we sort by here, now we can see how many. This one here has hacks, had an average of 15 million views per that word combination. That's many likes. So now we can see more value to these keywords. So now you'd be like, okay, now what you want to do is concentrate on using these in your titles, because we know they're valuable. If of course your particular video is related to DIY was the search that we did for all these videos. But now let's look at something different here. Let's go and clear this out. Hit the little clear button down here in the bottom right corner. Clear all the data. And what I want to do is take a look at like 2 word combinations. And then once you select that, you go over and click generate word stats. And now we get 2 word combinations to get all the data. And we can continue doing that. So if we clear that out, usually I find around 3 to 4, you start to see some trends here. So how to make is obviously very valuable. To make a home decor ideas, DIY home decor. So now we're starting to really see some word combinations that you could use in your titles. This is extremely valuable, especially that we've put a value to these word combinations by looking at how many views per word combination you're getting. So let's take again, look at ones that more than at least 5. And so like, if you look at the value here, back to school only occurred 6 times, but it's getting a lot of views. So that gives it a value. Like that could be one of the reasons why people are looking at that video. Well, because at the time of recording this video right now, it's actually back to school time for kids. So this does uncover these trends that are happening right now that you might not think about, right? So anyhow, this tool is awesome. So let's keep going, clear it out. And let's say we want to look at like 6 words. Obviously, the more words you select, the less likely they're going to occur. So this only occurred 2 times. So that's pretty cool. And again, like the other tools, you do have the options to save everything you want here. If you click File, so you can save it to project files that you can load and save within this tool. Comma delimited, comma separated value file for spreadsheet programs, text file. You can save the keyword combinations. You can copy them and whatnot. So pretty easy to use little tool, but massively powerful when you want to look at the value of those keyword combinations inside of hundreds, if not thousands of different videos. So talk about awesome. So go ahead, utilize this tool to your maximum and make sure you pay attention to those valuable keywords that you could use in your marketing.